If you've ever taken any science class before, you probably know what DNA is. Also known as deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA is the chain-like thread of nucleotides that makes you, you. DNA forms the iconic double helix shape that you're probably all familiar with. Each of our cells contain 2 meters of DNA compacted into the nucleus of the cell. To help you visualize this, DNA with the width of a pencil line would stretch over 620 miles long and then be compacted into a box only 15 feet wide. The human genome can be looked at as the blueprint to making us, including facial structure, number of fingers, number of toes, and basically everything. Have you ever looked at yourself and wish you were taller or had different eye color? Well, with the new revolutionary technique discovered by Jennifer Doudna, we are discovering all of the possibilities with gene editing. Gene editing is a type of genetic engineering in which DNA is modified, inserted, deleted, or replaced in the genome of a living organism. Now, the technique that Jennifer Doudna discovered was so revolutionary because it introduced a new way of gene editing that was more efficient than any other way of gene editing that we know today. This revolutionary technique is known as the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing system. CRISPR is an acronym that stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. Cas9 refers to the protein that lives inside of all of our cells that uses RNA to locate certain sections of our DNA and cut it out using an enzyme. Now, normally this is used for when viruses infect us and infect their DNA inside of us. And Cas9 will go locate the viral DNA and cut it out. But what Jennifer Doudna discovered was that scientists are able to put our own piece of RNA into the Cas9 protein so it can locate specific sections of our DNA and cut it out. After the cut is made, the scientists provide a new piece of DNA to insert in the place where the cut was made. This new way of gene editing is revolutionary because it takes so much less time to get things done compared to other ways we've used in the past. One thing scientists have discovered so far is that they're able to now locate the exact gene that allows mosquitoes to spread malaria and completely disable it and replace it with something else. This is revolutionary and could save millions of lives. However, although there's all of these good benefits to the CRISPR-Cas9 system, there are some downsides. China recently tried this technology on a human embryo, which spurred up a lot of ethical considerations, thus shutting down the experimenting with this technology on humans and human embryos. So before we continue, we really need to take a step back and really understand what we're getting into before we mess something up. So for now, you won't be able to alter your height or change your eye color, but just remember to appreciate yourself, and thanks for watching.